for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Fayette and Greene. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Greene County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southwestern Fayette County in
That's the
southwestern
R
Pennsylvania,
again.
northeastern Monongalia County in northern West Virginia, north central Marion County in northern West Virginia, until 7 p.m. At 6:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northwest of Cassville, or 10 miles south of Waynesburg, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: wind gusts to 60 miles per hour and half-dollar size hail. Source: radar. Impact: minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Morgantown, Westover, Star City, Point Marion, Grahamville, Cassville, Brookhaven, Bobtown, Blacksville, Mount Morris, Booth, Everettsville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 68 in West Virginia between mile markers 1 and 10. Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 8. Interstate 79 in West Virginia between mile markers 144 and 160. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.